Bagong araw, bagong tama raw. Panalo ka sa forma, pangmalakasan pa ang karga. Makabagong sasakyan para sa bagong henerasyon. Tuloy-tuloy ang asenso, tuloy-tuloy ang maaasahang serbisyo. Ano man ang trip mo, iba't iba man ang pangarap, sagot ka ng Toyota. Next generation Toyota tama raw. Abante, posible!
Fuji Denso Home and Commercial Appliances. Upgrade your usual appliances to Fuji Denso HD Inverter Appliances. Upgrade your home. Upgrade your business with Fuji Denso. Quality above all.
O Greg, may trabaho pa mamaya. Maggamot ka na.
Gamot agad? Alangan ako dyan. Baka may side effects.
Ang Biogesic, maingat na maingat. Iwas sa posibleng side effects. Pwede kahit pa sa buntis. Kahit pa sa walang laman ng tiyan. Most doctor prescribe pa.
Di na ako mag-aalangan. Maingat pala talaga ang Biogesic.
Basta sakit ng ulo't lagnat.
Choose ingat. Choose Biogesic.
Unilab yan.
Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff. Ready na? Anong problema? Pagod na ako sa hair problems ko. Pagod na akong magka-dandruff. At pagod na ako sa dry and weak hair. Girl, cut the drama. Use Sunsilk Anti-Dandruff, a 2-in-1 solution with tea tree oil and aloe vera to remove dandruff para healthy, smooth ang hair. All game? Pagod na akong maging maganda. Tanggal dandruff na, healthy, smooth hair pa with Sunsilk.
Lahat tayo, may kain mang inasal. Di mapipigil ang kamayin para solve ang kain. Bigay todo sa Only Rice. Sige lang, laban! Tak-tak all you want. Ikaw ang masusunod. Sausaw to the max. Sasaya. Go na go lang. Pag nilalasap, ang sarap. Iba-iba man ang kain, solve ka dito. Yan ang kain mang inasal. Tara!
May welcome bonus ka sa Bet88. With Bet88, get 100% bonus credit sa first deposit mo. Try your luck for kakaibang swerte. Click sign up and play now. Bet88.ph.
Jiga Manikad po, bilang isang broadcast journalist, nakasanayan ko maging mapanuri. Kahit na sa food supplement ko, bilib ako sa MX3 dahil ito ay tested and proven na may alpha, beta at gamma mangosteen. Bukod dyan, cholesterol and fat-free. That goes well with my healthy diet and workout. May seal of quality excellence at gawa sa ISO at GMP certified na planta. MX3, dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Just letting it flow now, taking it slow, having a good time.
Guys, what's up?
Gutom na kami.
Try Malkis. Deliciously energizing crackers.
May barbecue toppings?
So smoky!
So crunchy!
Down to 7 crunchy layers! May molten B vitamins that helps turn carbs into energy.
Nakakagana!
Diba? Gotta do this, guys! Just
Try Marcus Crackers!
busog na!
Technogas Technique transforms your kitchen with safe and efficient appliances. With over 70 years of expertise, Technogas Technique embodies Italian kitchen excellence. Simplify your cooking with Technogas Technique, your cooking partner. That's the Technogas Technique.
Will she like meat-free nuggets?
It's vegan good! Enjoy many delicious and meat-free dishes the Viga way. Pikiting friendly para masarap at health-friendly weekly, make it Viga good.
Before I leave to see you, I'll put it on my skin.
Feel the fine texture of Enchanteur perfume powder.
Love is in the air. Love is enchanted.